Alrighty guys, so today we are going to install some coilovers on John's gs430. It's going to be dope. Let's get to it. Having the proper tools to work on cars go a long way. There are proper tools for every job, so if you don't own any of these tools, check out the link in the description below. Let's jack up the car, pop our hood, and remove our front wheels. For safety, let's put the wheel under the car. In order to install our coilovers, we must first remove our OEM suspension. To remove that, we need to separate our upper control arm from the knuckle, remove our end licks from the strut tower, and remove our bolt that's going through the lower control arm. Moving our attention to under the hood, we need to remove the 3 bolts holding on our strut to the strut tower. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, here is the OEM standard strut, and here is our new coilover from BC Racing. You can tell the difference is drastic. First of all, this one's actually pretty heavy, and this one's so much more lighter. The profile's a lot more thinner and a lot more sleeker. This one's a lot more wider. So I can't wait to see what this looks like installed, because this beast is gonna get dropped at least 2 inches. Let's go. Coilovers act as a spring and shock absorber in one. The most valuable part to them is how adjustable they are. Ride height, compression, rebound, and preload are all changeable features on coilovers. Coilovers can guarantee an improved ride to the driver's liking. If it's too hard, you can soften the ride. And if it's too soft, you can harden the ride, just by adjusting those knobs on top of those coilovers. With the additional drop in height or lowering the center of gravity, cornering will be 10 times more fun. Alrighty, so while John is finishing up the coilovers in the front, I'm gonna get started by installing his new sway bar bushings. We decided, since that sway bar had to be moved out of the way, let us get those bushings changed out while we're there. The purpose of these bushings is to separate the sway bar from the body of the vehicle to reduce noise and friction. These bushings don't break, but they will get worn from time to time. Installation is super easy. With a 10mm socket and either a ratchet or an impact gun, you can get this job done really quick. Alrighty, so we just got the fronts done. Now he's gonna be pulling in the rears. I love how the King Custom sign's falling. That's been taped on to cover up his plates. But we're gonna do his rears, and we're gonna get started right now. Another thing that we're doing in addition to his coilover install in the rears is we are replacing his stabilizer links. We're going to upgrade these old Roddy ones to these brand new ones. Let's get it. Just simply owning a car, leaving it stock, and driving it from point A to B might make many people happy. Some may not even care about having the flashiest or coolest car in their possession. To others, it may just be a car, but to enthusiasts like John and myself, we care. We care about having our modified rides, riding in style, and just being able to turn heads as we go for our midnight strolls. Modifying cars is much more than a passion. It's a way of life, and it has a way of connecting millions of people together. Although this JDM beast has many issues that need to be addressed, she never backs down, and she keeps chugging. Honestly, I don't know how. I hope you enjoyed that episode on how you can lower your car with BC Racing coilovers. This was such a fun episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you hit the like button on the video below and also leave your comments in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace.